Trelleborg is a world leader in engineered polymer solutions that seal, damp, and protect critical applications in demanding environments. Trelleborg Damping Solutions, which is part of the Trelleborg Group, has its headquarters in Kalmar, Sweden. The company has delivered noise damping solutions for brakes to the automotive industry since 1988. Every major car manufacturer in the world has Rubore shims in their model lineup. Our vision is to be a market-driven company that provides our customers with engineered, cost-effective damping solutions. We strive to always be your first choice. So how do we accomplish that? The answer is both simple and complex. To put it simply, we are the world's best in combining rubber and metal to solve noise and vibration issues. The complexity lies in the way we do it. Our main product segment is noise damping products for brakes, which includes shims, slippers, and other damping solutions for brakes. Shims eliminates brake noise that occurs during braking. What makes us the market leader is our customer focus, high quality, and a wide range of materials. At our manufacturing facility in Sweden, we combine different materials in a production process consisting of multiple steps: metal pre-coating, rubber processing, vulcanization, slitting, and stamping. Our ambition is to always offer our customers the very best and most cost-effective logistics. Thorough quality checks are carried out during each stage of our production. Throughout the complete production process, our mindset is a customer-supplier relationship. For us, it's important to offer global reach as well as local support. So, what does local support mean? We have technical centers located around the globe where we offer noise and vibration testing 24/7, 365 days a year to develop and quality assure our products. That way, we remain at the forefront of support and innovation. What is our vision for the future? It is not enough for us to lead the market today. We want to be the market leader tomorrow, both when it comes to innovation, quality, logistics, and customer service. This vision pervades our entire organization. We believe that our employees are our greatest asset. Therefore, we strive to be a challenging and attractive workplace where people can grow and become the best at what they do. And when people do what they are best at, with the best conditions, we can deliver the best products to you, our customers. We make ourselves heard in a business that strives for silence. Through creativity, passion, as well as innovation and vision, we can continue to grow and offer you the very best damping solutions. We are Trelleborg Damping Solutions.